This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 12, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.05 points or 0.25% to 412.41. Total trade volume was up with 48,824 shares changing hands at a total value of 273 million real or about $68,200. On the main board, 3 stocks were up. Leading the market was Sihanoukville Autonomous Port up 0.85% or 100 real to 11,900 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which was up 0.66% or 40 real to 6,060 real per share. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority was also up 20 real to 6,340 real per share. On the downside, 5 stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Pestec Cambodia, down 0.77% or 20 real to 2,590 real per share, followed by Akleda Bank, which was down 0.54% or 40 real to 7,300 real per share. Other stocks also down were Cam GSM, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, and Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, while MJQ Education remained flat. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering stayed flat, while JS Land was down 30 real. Once again, Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 16,122 shares changing hands at a total value of 117.8 million real or over $29,400, which was 33% of Wednesday's trade volume. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 11,665 shares changing hands at a total value of 73.4 million real or over $18,000, approximately 24% of March 12th's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,008 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 103.49. Looking at global commodities, oil prices edged up on Wednesday, buoyed by a weaker dollar, but mounting fears of a US economic slowdown and the impact of tariffs on global economic growth capped gains. Brent futures rose 13 cents or 0.2% to $69.69 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures gained 13 cents or 0.2% to $66.38 a barrel. Gold prices were little changed, with the market's attention on U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff policies and a key U.S. inflation report due later in the day. Spot gold was steady at $2,919.06 an ounce after rising 1% in the previous session. U.S. gold futures inched up slightly to $2,924.80. Investors are focused on the U.S. Consumer Price Index data for clues on the Federal Reserve's interest rate stance. Stock futures ticked higher early Wednesday after President Donald Trump's 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum exports to the U.S. took effect. Investors also awaited a consumer inflation report due on Wednesday. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced 93 points or 0.22%, S&P 500 futures were 0.29% higher, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained around 0.33%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 12th.